Hello, this is another day. Let us continue with another section for building a simple website using Django and some HTML and Bootstrap as well. So today, as the past tutorial, we have seen that how to design the navigation bar, body content, and footer. Let's see our project. Test up cmd. We want to open with VS Code. Here we go. Now let's run it. Python manage.py run server. Let's see how it look like. Okay, this is what we previously did. This is about page, contact page, blog, channel, and so on. The other pages can be make it as possible as you can see that here this blog as the page we did the last tutorials, contact page, about, and home as well. Okay, now today we're gonna go and build our blog post, just dealing with the models, just creating the database and posting our contents in our website and retrieve the information from the database. As you know that the model in the Django making all the fields and the methods in just integrating together in the database and holding the data or information. So before that, we have to know that Django model fields. Okay, this one. Go to anywhere else and link. You can learn. As you can see that the model field reference make it a choice. Let's let me show you. No, not this one. Model data type. Yes, this data type. I want to show you something like that one. Okay, for data type, right here. The data type there are all the languages having their own data type and its one syntax, as well as Django also also has its own data type and syntax also. You can see the data type is this one, and having the Django model that in binary we have models.binaries and Boolean also and nullable. Okay, and that time okay, and numbers, big number, small number, and decimal numbers. Okay, just go and read it, that data models, data type of Django models. Can go and read it. For the text also have the character, as you know that as the other languages did. Okay, so in the text in the Django by using character means for having the few words, not a huge word. Okay, like title. Okay, you can use the characters. Okay, followed by the number of character you want to put. Okay, then text field. For the text field, this one holding the huge amount of text you want to put there. Okay, and this one we cannot specifying the maximum length. of the word, means unlimited number of words. So you can go and uh, and put some word what you want as you want. Okay, now in the models of data type for the email, also the same as this one. You can see here files. If you want to upload the images, mp3, mp4, any kind uh, of extension of the file. Okay, also we need the path, the same also. Then we need the image also. If you want the image specifically for the image, you can put it there. Okay, generic IP address, you can put it there for the IP address. If you have a field having the hold, you need to hold the IP address of a specific field in your website. How getting the IP address from the specific user or customer, and use that characters. Okay, also slacks, if in the blog also need for the slacks. Slack means making the reference of the setting content like typos and so on. Okay, can go and read it there. It's not big. Okay, big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay, so let's us see. As you know that in the blog you need three things. Okay, you need three things. One is title, second is description, third is image also. So you need the title, you need the descriptions, and the image also. So in the blog post, okay, and the other things also. If you need the time author, you can add it there. But for the simple website, you can testing for the fields in order you to understand well. Okay, so let's continue. So before we are going to configure these fields in our models, we have three important things to configure in your project. Okay, in the project. So what are these things is having to configure all the settings in the main root of the your project. Okay, I will show you. Okay, and this I will put it in the link below, and you can copy and paste it, but you have to follow where I'm going to put it. Okay, so we're going to the root of the project. Okay, yes, copying this one and go to the root of the project, this one. Okay, here. Okay, then paste it here. Okay, then as you can see there's some errors here, so you need to import some libraries here. Okay, and this libraries here I have also here. Just copy this one and come here and import it here. Okay, as you can see the error is gone. Okay, then have to save it. Boom, no error is okay. Okay, then another thing is in the setting also you have to specify the media where you can install your post meaning images files. Okay, you need to install there to put there, so you need to have this configuration in that one. So just copy it and follow me. Just go to setting, go to the bottom. Okay, here, paste it here, save it. Okay, and this media root also is already configured in the main URL here. Okay, and here, so it catching the reference from here and then setting up all your project very fine. Okay, okay, after that how to create the folder where the that your images in your image can be inserted there from the database. Okay, from here you have to go to your project. This is our project, and go to our application here and go to our static file here, then create the media file. Okay, as you can see here, just copy this one. Okay, create, then boom, the media. So we have created this one. Okay, so the next thing, after all the configurations, we have to create our models. Okay, let's go to our model from the application. Okay, models here. So class, you can say blog. Okay, blog, then request. Okay, then we need to put all our fields here. Okay, so our field is title, description. This one, let me copy it. Okay, here also we say equal to models dot here because we need a title, means we can use character field. Okay, and we're going to specify the maximum length of our title. They say 100. Okay, that's enough. And in our description also models dot because we need to use the huge text, so you need text field. Okay, so this one we are not going to specify the maximum length, but if you want, then you can put it there. Okay, then another one is the images. So models dot for the image, I can go and put image. Okay, then I will going to specify the path. Okay, a path for it in order to store your files. Okay, for the path is media. Okay, media slash percentage year. Okay, means we posting with the corresponding the number of year we posting. Okay, and then we have to define the string and return the self. Okay, return the self. Okay, in that one, but for now let's save it, and you say the request. Oh, here is not requesting models, sorry guys. Dot model, it's not a request, because for the request you're using from the view. Okay, so here is the what is the models, so we're dealing with the models. Okay, just save it and say path. Oh, why is not there? Path. Okay, thank you. Let me check. So here, sorry, need to find another way. So here is not a path, then go and say upload, then upload it to this directory. Okay, you have to upload it to this directory. Okay, now after this 1, then we can go and let me save it, cancel, and run again, see if there's an error again. No error. So after this one, now we're going to see if it's displaying in our dashboard. Okay, so let's refresh it. No problem. Here also, see. Okay, the session. Okay, the session. So we need to before anything, we need to migrate, okay, our models. Okay, Control C. So find the migrate. So migration is okay now. So after this one, come and refresh it. Okay, we need to run our project. Okay, now it's okay now. Okay, so we need to put our credentials here. I forget the credential. Okay, let's create. If you are forgetting the credential like me here, you must have to go and create the super user again by command. Okay, I have the command I have installed here. Okay, create super user. I'm gonna copy it. Okay, so then cancel it. Super user, and I'm gonna say admin at gmail.com, and here I'm going to put my password. Okay, say yes. Okay, now I can go and log in again. Admin, let me refresh the page first. Okay, so I have to run the project. Boom. Okay, so admin, my password. Boom. Okay, so this is our dashboard as the previous tutorial I showed. Okay, so we need to put our models here to be shown here. So the thing you should do that is go to our application here, application, then go to admin, then go and import the project. Okay, so the next video we are going to discuss how to put this project here and continue to retrieve the data from the database, because we're seeing that we have created successful models here, and see the path and see how the fields works. Okay. Sorry guys, today my voice is not good, so the next video we will continue to discuss this one. Thank you. Bye bye.